Nice block, Speedy. No storm can withstand my rain, rain, go array.
Way to go, Lanterman! Severe thunderstorm crisis averted!
Thanks, Marcia Starfighter. Just keeping the galaxy safe.
Staggering starbursts! My emergency alert system indicates that Sunnytown, California is having a storm of their own. We need to make sure the Ramos family is prepared.
Put on your galoshes, Speedy. Things are about to get stormy. To Saturn, then the...
Lanterman, wait! Earth is a Class 5 planet. You'll need to blend in.
Roger that, Marcia. Activate disguise ray.
Genius! Assume identity of Emergency Coordinator Larry!
To Saturn, then the stars!
That was an oldie but a goodie. Well, looks like there's no sun for Sunnytown listeners today. The National Weather Service has issued a severe storm warning for the entire area. So stay tuned for weather updates and keep on rocking.
An Everbridge alert. Everyone in North Sunnytown should prepare to shelter in place. That's where Sophia lives. I should check on the Ramoses to make sure they have everything they need.
Superheroes, I'm a lucky duck!
We interrupt this program to bring you an announcement from the National Weather Service. A severe storm warning is in place for all of Sunnytown, California due to the approaching hurricane. Be prepared for heavy rains, flooding, hail, and damaging winds. Authorities have advised residents to shelter in place. Stay tuned for updates.
That sounds serious.
Hello?
Hey, Isabel, it's Vinny.
Oh, hola, Vinny.
No need to panic, just letting you know that we got an emergency alert for your area. You need to shelter in place. Looks like the storm is getting worse.
Thanks, Vinny. We just heard the warning on the radio.
Great. Let's make sure Sophia's chair and PEX board are fully charged in case you lose power.
No worries, Vinny. Sophia always keeps her batteries charged. Right, Sophia?
I forgot.
I've got the generator. Phew, it's getting bad out there. Now we'll have backup for Sophia's chair and PEX board if we lose power.
See? I am a lucky duck.
You've got to stop saying that.
Vinny? Vinny! We lost cell service too. No se preocupen, don't worry. We've got flashlights and plenty of food. Xochitl, go get some candles from the kitchen.
Greetings, good citizens. I was told you lost contact with your service coordinator and was asked to stop by to make sure you're all okay.
We lost our power.
I see that. Do you have all the food and water you need?
I think we're covered at the moment. But what if the storm gets worse? Should we leave?
When the weather is this bad, it's safer for you to stay put and listen for updates. If there's a need to evacuate, the proper authorities will notify you. Emergency Coordinator Turtle? Always make sure you have a battery-operated radio to stay tuned for updates.
Hey, Mom. I've got the candles.
Yeah.
Ah, now you have power and knowledge. Crisis averted. Our work here is done.
Who was that guy?
Another successful mission! Thanks to you, Vinny at the Regional Center knows that during severe weather, it's important for both regional centers and service providers to stay up to date on severe weather situations, keep the individuals we support informed, especially when conditions change, help them understand what they need, and remind them that the regional centers and service providers are partners in supporting our community.
That's right. We're here to help those we support and each other. Remember, Capeless Heroes, we're all in this together. Prepare today for a safe tomorrow. Until next time, to Saturn, then the stars!